No matter what they wish for, no matter how far they go, people can never be anything but themselves. A certain type of perfection can only be realized through a limitless accumulation of the imperfect. Remove everything pointless from an imperfect life, and it would lose even its imperfection. What I think is this: you should give up looking for lost cats and start searching for the other half of your shadow. It's like Tolstoy said, happiness is an allegory, unhappiness a story. Don't feel sorry for yourself, only assholes do that. I dream. Sometimes I think that's the only right thing to do. Listen up. There's no war that will end all wars. What we seek is some kind of compensation for what we put up with. As we go through life, we gradually discover who we are. But the more we discover, the more we lose ourselves. As time goes on, you will understand what lasts, lasts, what doesn't. Time solves most things, and what time can't solve, you have to solve yourself. Silence, I discover, is something you can actually hear. Death is not the opposite of life, but a part of it. People die all the time. Life is a lot more fragile than we think. So, you should treat others in a way that leaves no regrets, fairly, and if possible, sincerely. If you can love someone with your whole heart, even one person, then there's salvation in life, even if you can't get together with that person. What happens when people open their hearts? They get better. In this world, there are things you can only do alone, and things you can only do with somebody else. It's important to combine the two in just the right amount. No matter how much suffering you went through, you never wanted to let go of those memories. If you only read the books that everyone else is reading, you can only think what everyone else is thinking. The most important thing we learn at school is the fact that the most important things can't be learned at school. Memories warm you up from the inside, but they also tear you apart. Spend your money on the things money can buy. Spend your time on the things money can't buy. I sometimes think that people's hearts are like deep wells. Nobody knows what's at the bottom. All you can do is imagine by what comes floating to the surface every once in a while. Whatever it is you are seeking won't come in the form you are expecting. But one thing is certain: when you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. That's what this storm's all about.